Welcome to Python Programming Language video tutorials by Shine India Pvt Limited. I am your Posubabu Sir, Technical Quant Logical Reasoning Trainer. In my previous tutorial, I have discussed pop method and remove method. In this presentation, I would like to demonstrate del method. Without wasting much time, let's start and discuss about this method. Now let me write here, using this del method, what we can do. So using this method, so we can remove the elements. We can remove the elements from a specific index. Do remember this point, right? So the advantage of using this del method when compared with pop method and remove method. So if we are using pop method or remove method, at a time we can remove single element only. Whereas using this del method, so we can remove or we can delete multiple elements. Multiple elements. So here we are going to use slicing. So we are going to use here slicing, right? So here del is a keyword. Del is keyword. Now let me explain with a small example and we will see the syntax for even del method. So let me write a small example. So A is equal to, let us take a certain list here, which consists of 6 elements. Right now, let me write the syntax here of using this del method. So first you have to write the keyword del. You have to write keyword del, right? And then, so list object name, that is what here, A. List name is A of. So at which particular index you wish to remove the element here. So here you have to pass index. You have to pass index number. Suppose if I want to remove the element which is there at index number 2, so you have to pass here 2, so that the corresponding element at that particular index will be deleted. So for example, let me write here corresponding index numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let me write here del A of 2. So this method does not return anything. This method does not return anything. Does not return anything. Right? Now, what will happen? So it will remove the element which is there at index number 2. Index number 2, we have 3. So this element will be removed. After this operation, if you are writing, so the output you will be getting 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So I hope everybody clearly understood of using this del method. So let me open my IDE and execute the same thing. So let us take here A is equal to one list which consists of certain elements here. Now let us write here del keyword and list object name of. So here you have to pass index number. Let me pass 2. And then you just try to execute, nothing it is going to return, right? Now, what it is going to do, it will remove the number or element which is there at index number 2. Now, let us see print A. Now, if you observe here, 3 has been removed. Now, you are getting one question in your mind. So we are going to do the same thing even in pop as well. But in pop, so we can remove only single element at a time using index number, right? Whereas using del method, you can remove multiple elements as well. So for that, you are going to use slicing. Let me go back here. Now, so from the same list, so I am going to write here an operation called del of A. Here I am writing, I just want to remove the elements that is 2, 3, 4. So these three elements I just want to remove. Right? So 2 is at which index 1. So start, let us give 1, colon. So I'm using slicing, colon. So up to what? So I need to remove until index number 3, right? So for that, you have to pass here 4. Stop as 4. So fourth index, which means until third index, the elements will be removed. And step size, I am giving here 1. Now, after performing this operation, if you print A, so the output you will be getting, so that is 1, 5, 6. This will be the output you will be getting. Let me execute the same operation over there in my IDE, right? So let me remove here. I'm writing here del of A of 1 colon 4 colon 1. Now let me print A. Let me print A. So you will be getting the output as 1, 5, 6. So here you have removed multiple elements using this slicing. Though you are not giving here step, so there will be no issue, right? So you are getting same output. So I hope everybody clearly understood. Now I just want to remove the elements until index number 3, which means stop you have to give here 4. Now you could see. So until index number 3, all the elements has been removed. Right? Rest of the elements only we got here. That is 5, 6. So I hope you could understand. Now, one more important point I would like to share here, that is, suppose if you are giving the index number which is not present here. Now, if you observe here, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So until index number 5 elements are there. So if I have given here 6, so which means here it generates what? An error. So index out of range, index out of range. That is what the index error it is going to generate. Do remember this one. Now, if you are providing here slicing, though the index is out of range, you won't get any error, right? Now, let me write here. So let me write here. Um, start I am giving here 9, which is not there. Stop I am giving 9 colon 1, right? Now, let me execute it, right? So it won't generate error. That is what the important thing here. Right? Now let me write here 0. So 0 to index 9, right? So though the index is out of range, it won't generate any error, right? It won't generate any error. So it is giving a empty list here. That's it, right? So do remember this point, right? When you are using slicing, so it does not generate any error, which means it is going to remove all the elements from 0 index to ninth index. So we have only up to 5 indexes, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So however, the indexes are not there here, 6, 7, 8. So it won't generate any error, right? Now let me give here instead of 0, 1, which means only one element you will be getting. That is in element which is at 0 index. So I hope the idea of del method is clear to everybody, right? Now let's go back to my presentation. Now let me explain which method we have to use when. So when we know index is known, you may use pop method or del method. When we know the element in which we would like to remove, you could use remove method. If you want to remove more than one element, you could use del, because a slicing it accepts slicing. So hence you may use del method. Here, del is a keyword. So I would like to share one more point regarding remove method. So let's go back to my paint. So I would like to share one more important point regarding a remove method. Now let me take one example here. Suppose A is equal to certain elements I'm taking here 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 2, 3. Now this is what the list I have taken. In this particular list, so we have certain elements which are repeated here. Suppose if I want to remove, let us use remove method, list name dot remove of, I'm giving here 2. So which means this is what the object here, it is element. So I would like to remove 2. So here, how many 2's are there? So here 1, 2 is available and here second 2 is available. Is it this method will remove both the 2's? No. Answer is no. So it removes this particular element of first occurrence. So now it is going to search where 2 has been there in this particular list. So whenever at first occurrence, if it is traced, so it remove that particular element there itself, and the rest of the list will be as it is you are getting. So which means if you are writing here print A, the output will be what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, and this 2 has been removed. 4, 9, 7, 2, 3. This could be the output you will be getting. Now let me show you the same thing in my IDE. So for example, I'm taking here different elements which are repeated here, right? So now let me take 2, 3, 5, 2, 2, 4, 3, like this. So we have some elements which are repeated here. Now let us use remove method. A dot remove, and I'm writing here 2. So this method does not return anything. You could see over here. It doesn't return anything. Now, if you print A, so it removes this 2 whenever it occurs first time. So first occurrence here, right? So this element will be removed and the remaining 2's will be as usual, right? Now you could see over here. 2 you won't find, right? So the rest of the 2's remain same. So I hope you could understand this extra point I would like to share using this remove method, right? Now, just try to understand what I have explained so far. So whenever index is known, we can use pop method or del method. If I know element, so if I want to remove it, so use remove method. And if I want to remove more than one element, so you could use del keyword as slicing is accepted using this del method. So I hope everybody clearly understood and learned how to delete the elements from the list. If it is clear and understood my videos, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.